In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix Forms. Whether you're creating a contact form, a survey, or a sign-up sheet, forms are one of the easiest ways to interact with your website visitors and gather the information you need. Wix provides a user-friendly and highly customizable tool to help you with this process, so even if you're new to website editing, you'll be able to follow along. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, customize, and optimize a form that suits your needs. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and navigate to the specific website you'd like to edit. Once you're on your site dashboard, open the Wix Website Editor. This is where all the magic happens, and it's where you'll be designing and customizing your form. Now, let's locate the plus icon on the left-hand side of the editor screen. This is your main tool for adding new elements to your site. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a range of options for different features you can add to your site. For today's purpose, you're going to look for contact and forms in that menu. Once you see it, select it. Next, click on Create New Form. This is where you'll begin customizing your form to fit your specific needs. You'll notice some default fields are already in place, like name and email address fields, but you have the freedom to edit these or add new ones. Take a moment to think about the kind of information you want to collect from your visitors. If you need phone numbers, business names, or other details, you can add these fields easily. Simply click on the fields and edit the labels to match your requirements. Now, let's configure the general settings for your form. This is an important step because it determines how your form will function. For example, you can set visibility rules, decide what happens after someone submits the form, and even adjust notifications for when new submissions come in. Take your time here to ensure the form behaves exactly how you want it to. If your form needs to include multiple choice questions or predefined options, Wix has got you covered. Navigate to the Choices section where you can add options for visitors to select from. This is especially useful for surveys or sign-up forms where users need to pick from a list of items. For forms that require scheduling inputs such as appointment bookings or RSVPs, you can edit the date and time fields. This is also quite straightforward. Just click on the relevant field and adjust the settings to suit your needs. If your form involves financial transactions, like collecting payments for a service or product, you can set that up under the Payments section. Wix allows you to integrate payment options directly into your form, making it easier for your visitors to complete their transactions without leaving the page. Don't forget to customize the Submit button. This might seem like a small detail, but it's an important one. You want the button to clearly prompt the action you want users to take, whether that's submit, sign up, or book now. Adjust the text and design to make it stand out. Take some time to organize the form's layout. Wix gives you plenty of options to adjust the visual elements, so make sure everything looks clean and professional on the page. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click Preview to test your form. This is your chance to ensure everything is working as intended. Fill out the form, submit it, and confirm that the submission process goes smoothly. After testing, you may find you need to make some adjustments. That's completely normal. Simply return to the settings and tweak anything that needs improvement. You can also optimize the form settings to make it more engaging and better integrated with your site. For example, you can enable email notifications for new submissions or connect the form to your marketing tools. Finally, don't forget to visit the Submissions Review section. This is where you'll be able to track and manage all the responses you receive. And of course, once everything is set up and working perfectly, be sure to click Save to store your changes and finalize your form. And that's it. You now know how to set up Wix Forms. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.